Roll the fabric of the Safespace onto the floor and ensure the mesh ceiling is facing upwards. Insert the 8 horizontal bars in the pole pockets on each side, making sure the holes are facing the outside. Line up the top corner brackets with the holes on the horizontal bars, attached together with a bolt on one side and a washer and nut on the other. Fasten all 4 corners with a drill and spanner. Lift one side of the Safespace with one hand and hold an upright bar with the other. Attach an M20 washer below the M20 nut. Now insert the upright bar into the corner bracket. Repeat this for the other side. Attach the upright bars to the horizontal bars with a bolt on one side and a washer and nut on the other. Standing on the horizontal bar, lift the Safespace up so you can tighten the M20 nut on the top corner bracket. Now tighten the bolts with a drill and spanner, repeating for all 4 corners. Place the bed foam on top of the bed base. Pick the Safespace compartment up and place it on top of the bed base, making sure to untuck all Velcro straps from the bottom of the compartment. Apply the brakes on the bed base. Make sure the compartment sits on the edge of the bed base. Now, unzip all 4 corners. And insert the 4 foam corners. Fasten the Velcro straps around the upright bars. This tensions the Safespace walls. For any walls that have a zip, don't pull the Velcro straps too tight, as this can damage the zips. Zip the corners back up and insert the toe stubbing foam on all 4 sides of the Safespace compartment. Fasten the Velcro straps onto the underside of the bed base. Unzip the main door and roll up the fabric and secure it with the buckles. Tuck the dangling straps into the roll-up wall to prevent any accidents. Insert the mattress, making sure to push down so it's all even. The Safespace high-low is now ready to use.